We want couples to come to their wedding as a guest. I'm founder of ShaadiMe.
So what will you be, an app or a website or a
App.
booking platform? So ये तो बहुत सारी wedding agencies करती हैं. Any traction?
In 1 week, we got 5 lakhs plus impressions. I know the future of weddings is ShaadiMe, but
क्या आप उसकी दुनिया में वैल्यू ऐड करोगे? बट वेडिंग एक ऐसा नहीं है कि एक दिन में हो जाएगा तो मजा नहीं आएगा ना.
अभी तक हमने एग्जीक्यूट नहीं किया ना एक भी शादी.
मैं वेडिंग मार्केट में आग लगा दूंगा.
काश से आकाश प्रेजेंट्स हेल्प मी हेल्प यू.
ये तुम्हारी शादी ही करने का स्टार्टअप बना रहे हो, शादी मी.
शादी नहीं मतलब.
आज सारे शादी वाले आए हैं, लग रहा है कि मेरी शादी कर लो हैं,
हाँ मतलब ऐसे ही.
या मुझसे शादी कर लो.
नहीं सबका शादी करवाएंगे.
ऐसा सबकी शादी कराओगे. जस्ट किडिंग. ग्रेट. व्हाट्स योर नेम?
I am Venkat. I'm founder of ShaadiMe. So ShaadiMe is a wedding tech platform where we plan, so couple can plan their whole wedding in just minutes. So we are an end-to-end planning and execution platform where couples don't need to spend 11 or 12 months in planning their wedding and take all the stress and vendor coordination. So we'll take care of everything. We'll take care of the stress, everything. We'll plan their whole wedding in minutes.
वाओ. तो ये तो बहुत सारी वेडिंग
हाँ, there are.
आउटसोर्स्ड एजेंसीज करती हैं.
हाँ. So like weddings in India are like massive, but the market, the planning, execution is still unorganized and no transparency in the pricing. So we want to get all the vendors and all the things together, and we want to provide convenience to the customers.
So what will you be, an app or a website or a
App.
booking platform?
App booking platform, end-to-end booking and planning.
What all can I book?
So you can book everything like end-to-end, सब कुछ शादी.
ऐसे ऐसे
honeymoon.
एक एक चीज आएगी.
हाँ. So you'll enter. So couples come on our platform and enter basic details like उनका नाम, wedding date, budget and किधर location and palace में करना है या फिर destination wedding, international. वो सब basic details enter करेंगे. Then AI will generate a itinerary based on the details and then उसके बाद से will proceed further based on their preferences.
And then after AI you'll execute also.
Yeah, we'll execute
Based on
end-to-end.
that. Okay.
So our main goal is that we want couples to come to their wedding as a guest. Like कुछ stress नहीं है, बस आके खाना करके जाओ.
वाह. आजकल हो भी ऐसे ही रहा है ज्यादातर. Weddings have become amazing events where सब लोग आते हैं, मस्ती करते हैं, पार्टी करते हैं, कुछ इवेंट वाले करते रहते हैं और बड़ा फन होता है. Right? It's such an amazing industry and you're trying to organize that.
Yeah, we are
Right?
trying to
Any
organize
traction?
Yeah, so we started marketing on LinkedIn and Instagram, and within like few posts in 1 week, 1 and 2 weeks, we got 5 lakhs plus impressions and 100 plus couples interest on like. अभी बात चल रही inbound leads, everything is inbound leads, and according to LinkedIn analytics, we are currently in second position in all over India on LinkedIn in our sector.
Wow. In Shadi Me sector.
Yeah, in Shaadi sector.
In Shadi sector. Great. No bookings yet. So early revenue.
हाँ, so we did free like on free without any commissions. We did few of my relatives, friends, cousins weddings. 3-4 weddings हमने किया था ताकि we will get to know about the market and क्या core problems है, उसके लिए we did weddings. But अभी 60 like inbound leads है and 100 plus couples interest है. So we are in talks.
That's
अगर वो
good.
close हो जाएंगे तो we'll be closing around 5 crores GMV.
Got it. Cool. Sounds good. 5 crores GMV straight off.
So अभी initial stage में the problem we are facing is I know the future of weddings is ShaadiMe, but how can I convince vendors to come on our platform at this stage without having like enough crazy like demand नहीं है at this stage.
Demand नहीं है.
हाँ,
अभी crazy नहीं है obviously.
crazy नहीं है. We have like basic demand, but इतना नहीं है कि we can convince vendors to onboard on our platform and give us in less price. कम price में देने के लिए it's difficult to convince them.
Vendors.
हाँ, vendors.
Yeah. ये तो जर्नी है. ये जर्नी है. इस जर्नी का कोई शॉर्टकट नहीं है. इस जर्नी में पहली वेडिंग, पहले कॉन्टैक्ट्स, पहली सक्सेस, पहला नेटवर्क बनाना पड़ेगा. फिर अगला सेकंड वेडिंग, यूज दैट नेटवर्क अगेन टू गिव देम बिजनेस, बिल्ड दैट ट्रस्ट. The other way to do it is to build a strong narrative. Why are you the best? How are you different than everyone else who's coming to them for their wedding organization? क्या आप उसकी दुनिया में वैल्यू ऐड करोगे? यू नीड टू हैव दैट थीसिस कि मैं या तो वेडिंग मार्केट में आग लगा दूंगा. क्यों? क्योंकि मेरा जो प्लेटफॉर्म है ना, माइंड ब्लोइंग है जी. ये 4 प्रॉब्लम तो आज तक किसी ने सॉल्व ही नहीं करी. ये देखो मेरा प्लेटफॉर्म. एंड पीपल लिसन देन. व्हेन यू गो विद अ रेडी प्लेटफॉर्म, इज इट रेडी?
Yeah, it's ready. I can show it to you.
या शादी मी खोल लेते हैं.
हाँ.
shadimi.in.
नहीं, it's open in my.
ओके बट लॉन्चिंग सून आ रहा है. shadimi.in.
So this is the platform.
शादी मी. अच्छा डेमो है.
हाँ.
Demo.
लाइव हो गया
अभी-
कुछ दिन के लिए we have.
अच्छा अभी लाए. हाँ ओके. शादी मी स्टार्ट प्लानिंग. If I click start planning,
Basic details होंगे.
the couple, the day, basic details. ये भी देख सकता हूँ.
हाँ, continue.
कंटिन्यू कर दूँ? चलो. Continue. Your vision, royal grandeur, minimal priorities, which services are highest priority.
सब कुछ है like end to end.
Okay. And then the confirmation.
Then bill आ जाएगा and कितने approximate plus or minus इतना हो सकता है. So,
कोई ऐसा कर रहा है अभी तक मार्केट में?
हाँ, कुछ players है but we
जैसे?
want to focus on like different.
हाँ बैठो ना. कंपटीशन के बारे में तो बात करनी पड़ेगी.
Wedding company है the wedding company and
Okay.
Meraki celebrations
हाँ.
based out of Bangalore.
Sure.
But we want to focus more on there are platforms. I don't deny the fact that competitors नहीं है but it's like urban company Snapit. So we want to focus much on customer convenience and we want to just like अभी तक तो 11 months 12 months होता था planning. So we want to cut it to 1 day. Like उनको just couples need to spend it 1 day with us to finalize venue and decoration. उसके बाद से we'll take care of everything, all the stress, vendor coordination and all.
बट वेडिंग एक ऐसा नहीं है कि एक दिन में हो जाएगा तो मज़ा नहीं आएगा ना.
नहीं, not
मतलब
wedding.
नहीं.
हाँ.
प्लानिंग इतनी जल्दी हो जाएगी तो थोड़ा थ्रिल है. I want to try this, I want to try this, I want to vibe, I want to talk to someone about the venue. I want to put something which is very personal to me. I want to add that flavor which I'll have to talk to someone. It's not something that hey thak I'll book and it's done. It's a personal event. It's something that is happening one time in my life, right? And hence I have to have everything perfect to the T, right? And hence there has to be a human interaction. You've incorporated that?
Yeah, we have a POC from Shadini who will take care of, who will be with their family from the day of planning till the day of their wedding. 24/7 he'll be available. जो भी changes करने हैं, whatever they want to change or add, we have a POC for it.
Sure.
तो he'll be staying with the मतलब he'll be available with the family. जो भी doubts है, जो कुछ change करना है, he'll be with the family. But what I meant by saying 1 day is उनको कुछ stress लेने की
Yeah,
जरूरत
that's
नहीं
true. It's a click-based thing. You'll get most of the things that you want on a single platform. And you're saying a few people are already doing this.
हाँ,
In the same way?
Not in the same way. They are basically like directly first step. So they provide details. So but end to end everything on a platform with a POC in less time, more convenience कोई नहीं है.
Got it. And you have a problem कि vendors कहाँ से लाऊं? Customers आ रहे हैं?
हाँ, customers, there is so much interest on Shadi Me. And also we got more than like 40-50 messages आए थे couples से कि they are regretting that Shadi Me was not there when they were marrying last year or last month. ऐसा कुछ. So I felt very happy and वो लोग they are also giving that like जो भी उनकी friends है who are getting married उनकी data भी मिल रही
दे रहे हैं आपको?
Yeah.
हाँ? They're giving it to you?
हाँ.
Okay.
We got ऐसे ही हमको 30-40 leads आ गए थे.
हाँ. तो फिर vendors क्यों नहीं आ रहे?
तो like अभी तक हमने एग्जीक्यूट नहीं किया ना एक भी शादी थ्रू शादी में.
Okay.
So that's
But where are you operating?
we are focusing on Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai,
No.
and
No, you can't do that. You have to go micro market. Whichever is your home market, master it first. वहीं पे बहुत शादी हो रही होंगी और वहीं के तुम्हारे वेंडर्स एक दायरे के सेट हो जाएंगे, तुम्हारी भाषा भी समझेंगे. क्यों अभी दिल्ली, बैंगलोर, मुंबई करना है? एक हैदराबाद जो तुम्हारा मार्केट है, बहुत शादी हो रही है वहाँ भी, उसी को टैप कर लो. हैदराबाद टेक इनेबल्ड वेडिंग सर्विस, स्टार्ट विद दैट, राइट? सो दैट तुम्हारे वेंडर्स भी सेट हो जाएंगे. अगर वो 50 वेडिंग्स एक ही जगह की आएंगी तो वेंडर तो लाइन लगाएंगे तुम्हारे पीछे, और वो एक एक जगह पे 50 आएंगी तो तुम धक्के खाओगे वेंडर के, क्योंकि हर सिटी के 50 वेंडरों को ऑनबोर्ड करना बहुत टफ होगा। तो प्रॉब्लम को अगर इतनी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम बन रही है तो छोटा बना लेते हैं, छोटी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वेबल होगी।
Yes.
लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दैट, है ना? कूल,
Cool.
साउंड्स गुड।